If your aquarium looks like a jungle, you need a Badis britzi. Let's dive in. Found in the streams of Myanmar, Badis britzi loves hanging out in clear, slow-moving waters with lots of plants and rocks. This little guy feeds on tiny invertebrates, hiding from predators like larger fish and birds. Ecologically, they keep the insect population in check. Badis britzi is a master of disguise, changing colors to blend into its environment. Its habitat shapes its lifestyle. Think stealth and patience. No long migrations here, they stick close to home. While not a huge economic player, they're a hit in the aquarium trade. Population, stable thanks to conservation efforts. Humans love their unique looks and behaviors. Genetically, they're fascinating. Evolution has fine-tuned them for survival in their specific niche. Scientist or hobbyist, Badis britzi is a treasure trove of wonders. So next time you see one, remember, this little fish has a big story. Like, share and subscribe for more fishy tales.